Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can purchase a domain from namecheap.com. So let's begin the video. First of all, if you don't know what is a domain or domain name, basically this is a human readable address for your website. So whenever you search for google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, etc., then these are the domain names of those websites. So if you're thinking of starting your business online and you need a website, then the first thing that you need to have is a domain name for your business. So we're going to be buying a domain name or domain from namecheap.com. On any browser, open the website namecheap.com, and from here you're going to have this search bar. Now you're going to enter the domain that you want to have for your website. So in my case, I am going to type Wasay AI Source, as this is my business name, and I'm going to search for it. Now if the domain name is present, it will show right here, but if the domain name is not present, then it means that someone is already using that name and you should look for another name. So in my case, you can see wasayaisolves.com is present, and if you go down, you have these different variations which you can also use. So we have .to, .org, .net, .ai, and the pricing will vary according to these variations. You also have these other basically variations as well. So you can also have for your particular country like .uk, US, and so on. Since I'm good with wasayaisource.com, I am going to select this one. So you can see that the yearly price is $11.28 per year, and you can see that we have this code right here. So if you use the code newcomp649, you can get a discount. So this is for those who are buying their domain for the very first time on the Namecheap platform. Since I have already purchased multiple domains in the past, I don't think so that this coupon code will be applicable for me. However, you can check when you're searching for your domain, it will most definitely show a coupon code. Anyways, once you are satisfied that you need to purchase that particular domain, make sure that the spellings are correct, then you can click on add to cart, and you can see it has been added. Other than that, you can also purchase web hosting and these other services from Namecheap as well. Anyways, what I am going to do now is to click on checkout. So again, it will show you your domain name, so read it carefully along with the spellings. And now you're going to select that how long you want to buy the domain. After that, you need to renew it. You can have from 1 year to up to 10 years. So for me, I'm just going to select 1 year for now, and I'm going to select the auto renew option, so that when 1 year passes, it will automatically renew my domain. Because if you do not renew it within the specified time, maybe someone else might purchase it. So yeah, after that you have domain privacy, you need to enable it, and it's free forever, which is really good. After that, you have these multiple options which you can select, like premium, DNS, SSL, and so on. I don't need these different add-ons, so I'm going to skip on it. And as I showed you the coupon code at the start, you can enter it right here, but since I already have made purchases in the past, that coupon code will not work for me. So I am going to click on confirm order. Now if you don't have a Namecheap account, you can simply create one right here, but if you already have an account, you can just simply sign into your account. Here it is going to show you your payment methods, so you can pay via Visa or credit card, you can pay via PayPal or account. So I am going to enter my card details right here. You need to enter your receipt details, mainly your address, and lastly you need to review your renewal settings. So I will register Wasay AI Souls and free domain privacy, and after that on the right you can see your card, again your domain name, the timeline, and the total is $11.48. In my case, I am going to click on continue. Here again it is showing a summary of your order. Double check your domain name and its spellings. Pay now. Order sent for processing. Thank you for your purchase. So our purchase is completed. We can just simply click on Namecheap, and in order to see if our domain has been successfully purchased or not, go to your username and we're going to click on dashboard. From here on the left you're going to see domain list, click on it and you can see wasayaisource.com is active and its expiration date is October 18, 2026. So it means that we have successfully purchased our domain on namecheap.com. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe